Hello everybody, meteorologist Hutch Johnson sitting outside on the deck. You know, it's that time of the year again. Pedro's out here with me and it's time to put the old lawn furniture away. So that's my chore for the weekend as we close out. Here's a little weather update for you. I'm doing this a little differently. I hope you like it. It's a flannel kind of day here. I'm expecting a temperature near 50 degrees for us in Fargo. And let's take a look at that radar because we have some activity going on as we head into the morning hours. I'm going to put this up so you can see full screen what's going on here. Pardon me. And this is showing us some numbers, and these numbers are indicative of visibility in miles. Notice we have some mixed precipitation working its way through the northern valley. So I'll turn off the data here so that we don't have that in the way and we can look at just the radar information. And as we zoom in, we certainly see that there's a mixed bag in the Devil's Lake Basin. Down south, though, Carrington towards Jamestown, there's green. That would mean rain. Pink would be a mix, and blue would be snow. Is it really snowing north of the Marshall County area, northern Marshall County, Kitson County, Roseau County? Well, let's take a look at some of the area DOT cams, shall we? And we'll kind of analyze this in real time for you and show you that if we take a look at the Roseau camera here, pardon me, we see wet drops on the lens, meaning it's warm enough for it to be at least rain or quickly melting. The road surface looks okay. Road conditions in northwest Minnesota are illustrated by the colors, and you see how the roads are green? That means they're good to go, folks. How about North Dakota? As Pedro's barking and talking to some neighbor dogs over here. In North Dakota, the road conditions are blue, which means wet roads. If we take a look, there is some areas of yellow or possibly icy roads north of Langdon. And as we look into the Cavalier area and the Langdon area, we can see that the roads definitely are wet. There could be some spots, though, that are icy in northeast and north central North Dakota. So that's a look at that. Now, this precipitation that's on the radar is going to linger up north throughout the day. We're going to have the snow there. We could have a chance of some rain a little later. Let me show you a quick run through on a local model, and we'll take a look at the model here that we play through, and it shows the precipitation up north. Let me see if I can put a mixed precip, a winter mixed precip up here to look at it. No, it's just going to show up as green rain for now, so let's just go with that. As I animate it throughout the day, we have that rain up north, and boom, later in the day, it looks like we'll have a chance of some showers of rain in and around Fargo. If I can stop this in time, we'll see that the chance of rain down near Fargo increases by the time we get to what's called, about, let's say, 11 to, well, that would be now. Sunday 16Z, yeah, that would be 10 to 11 a.m. So later, where we see the yellows moving out of Minot, that means we're going to have a chance at some passing showers throughout our day here as we go through the day today. So keep that in mind. We cannot rule out showers, but they're going to be most plentiful up north. So that's what we're looking at right now. I hope you have a great weekend day. It's going to be gray here in Fargo-Moorhead. It's not necessarily going to be a hot day out here as we wrap up our weekend here in the FM area. That's a look at your weather. Thanks again for following me on my new YouTube channel. Search Hutch's Weather on YouTube. Have a wonderful weekend. I got to get this furniture put away here on the deck so that it's spared through the winter, and we will talk again real soon.